Do you think you have what it takes to successfully excel as an experiential marketing professional? You may be saying, Jay, how hard can it be to work in this industry? It seems like common sense. Well, while it may seem common, a lot of things don't make sense to a lot of the individuals working in this industry. And ultimately, they find out they're either not cut out for the industry or they're unable to sustain consistent opportunities as an experiential marketing professional. So today I'm going to provide you with my top 3 tips to determine whether or not you are qualified to excel and obtain consistent opportunities as an experiential marketing professional. While it may seem easy, it's not easy. And hey, I'm going to break it all down for you in a few minutes. Go ahead, click that subscribe button and ring that bell to receive notifications on future videos, and stick around because I'm going to dive a little deep in this subject. I'm going to start at the bottom with tip number 3, professionalism. As an EXP, you have to be mindful of your body language, what you say, how you say things, how you articulate brand information, as well as key talking points to a consumer. And you have to make sure that you always maintain a professional reputation. I talk about this a lot in my book, You Do What, and I provide you with the 3 P's: personality, presentation, as well as professionalism, that every EXP must possess in order to successfully execute events and maintain consistent opportunities as an experiential marketing professional. So being on time is important. Making sure that you take the time to study any key talking points and brand information prior is important. Making sure that you wear the proper attire and that you abide by any rules as well as guidelines that an account manager or a staffing coordinator sent prior to coming to the event is key. I cannot stress this enough. And after doing a recent interview with the founder of Assist Marketing, Joe Robliski, he also talked about the importance of EXPs, making sure that they not only hone in on this, but they become well-versed and that they're able to not develop a sense of entitlement and continue to not only build their resume, but become a sought-out experiential marketing professional. And this is coming from someone who hires EXPs daily for events nationwide. I think he has a pretty good idea as to what EXPs need to have. And tip number 2, that you develop great customer service skills. If you have any experience prior in retail, working in any environments where you had to deal with customers on a day-to-day basis, you are seen as an asset within the experiential marketing industry. Why? Because you understand the importance of providing a great consumer experience and you have knowledge engaging with different types of consumers. As an EXP, you will be not only engaging with consumers, but as I stated before, articulating brand or product information to consumers in your own personal way. So having that customer experience is important. It is also to know as an EXP, you have to be able to accept rejection. Let's face it, not every consumer is going to want to interact or engage with you. Not every consumer is not going to want to hear anything you have to say. And being able to accept that no, or accept, a consumer putting their hand in your face, not in your face, but just waving their hand and telling you they don't want to, hear anything you have to say at that particular time is key. And you can't take things personal as an EXP. It happens all the time, whether you're doing a demo in a retail location or whether you're on tour and you are working a festival or an event where people may be under the influence. So as an EXP, ensure that you're able to accept rejection and you're able to develop great customer service skills and provide a great consumer experience is important. And let's go ahead and jump into my final tip. If you guys are enjoying the tips that I'm providing thus far, go ahead and drop me some of your thoughts in the comments and let me know. What are some things that EXPs should shy away from doing or not even possess if they want to work in the experiential marketing industry? Yes, it's not for everyone, but I want to hear your thoughts and comments on this subject as well. So my last tip, you got to have great time management skills. Ensuring that you are early for your events. In my Rule of thumb, at least 15 minutes prior to the start of your activation is important. Ensure that you take the time to properly plan your route and look at the logistics is important. Also, when we're looking at time management, when you're working an event and you're taking your allotted breaks given by the tour manager or the team lead on site, making sure that you are considerate of the other EXPs and you come back from your breaks in a timely manner is also important. If you will be required to do any event recaps or turn in any necessary paperwork to ensure that you're compensated in a timely manner, as an EXP, ensuring that you complete these tasks is extremely important. I cannot stress this enough. And ensure that you have great time management as well as organizational skills is not only important and beneficial to you, but it also helps the account manager, the staffing coordinator, or if you are executing a tour, an experiential marketing agency, to ensure that they are able to stay on top of any issues as they arise and that you are able to communicate. Communication is key as an EXP in an effective manner. So EXPs, ensuring that you abide by these 3 tips, ensuring that you keep these things in mind prior to beginning a career as an experiential marketing professional is extremely important. Don't be one of the EXPs who start working in the industry and don't take the time to become well-versed and not hone in on their skills. As an EXP, I cannot tell you this is extremely important, and you have to make sure that you are becoming well-versed in different areas within the experiential marketing industry. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, drop me your thoughts in the comments, let me know what other how-to videos you would like me to make, and definitely ring that bell for future notifications and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I also have a free downloadable checklist for you to go ahead and take advantage of and pass on to anybody who's looking to begin a career as an experiential marketing professional. This is Jae, your experiential marketing coach, signing off. See you soon.